Super masasarap lahat ng food. Yung meatballs na plant-based, though natikman ko na to before, this is 10 out of 10 pa din sa akin. Pwedeng 100 out of 10. Chicken tenders, so 8.5 out of 10. Mushroom soup, para lang siyang sa KFC. So 8.5 out of 10 also. Ito panalo talaga to. Sobrang panalo tong salmon. This is 12 out of 10. Hindi kasi malansa. Though yung mga kasi na nakakain ko ng salmon sobrang lansa. Pero this is okay and very very good talaga. Very tender. Nag-pick through lahat ng ng lasa dito sa sa salmon. So very very good. Tapos with the apple crumble cake, ang sarap naman siya, kaso parang may something na kulang pa. So I'll give this 7.5 out of 10. Itong leche flan, panalo to kasi nakain ko na isa dito. So 25 out of 10. Also the cake is very very moist. Tapos yung chocolate nito, very decadent talaga siya. So I'll give this a 100 out of 10. So overall, IKEA experience, this is a 5-star rating kasi the food was very very cooked to perfection, and also lahat ng nandito is talagang parang feeling ko lahat sila gusto nila yung mga pagkain. So good job IKEA Pasay. Thank you.